Camera's
new video. Brand new video.
Yes.
Brand new video.
Alrighty, we're putting a new power cord on a
JVC.
sound surround receiver.
There's the cord. Okay. You want me to do the honors of that?
Yes, do the honors of unsounding.
Okay. Okay. I think if I remember right, these are wrapped around, if I'm not remembering right. Actually, I got an idea. You want to do it the easy way? Clip them first and pull them off. I'll do one at a time. Well, we know which one goes on where, don't we?
Yeah, the white is
White's over to the left, but we'll leave one on for now.
for just in case you forget.
Yes, exactly. Since I do that a lot, I forget a lot. I need a pair of the needle nose pliers. Carefully, yep, those, yep.
Now, is this a high-end one or a cheaper one?
This is probably a mid-grade one, I would say. It's not high-end, but it's probably not. It's not cheap, but it's probably not high-end. It's what they call middle grade or something like that. Mm-hmm. Middle grade. Ooh. Came out in pieces. That's right. Make sure that gets in the garbage. Got it? Mm-hmm. So that gets in the garbage. Okay. In the garbage. Okay. Let's see.
Now, for 100 watts per channel, would the power transformer be about the same size for a 2-channel?
Oh yeah.
Or would it be a little bigger?
Oops. Oh crap. Where'd it go? It's on the floor somewhere.
As long as it's not in the
Okay, well, when we're going to do this, the white goes to the left. And I'm going to leave the wire connected there. And I'll pull this one off too. Well, it says in here white. Yes, it's white and red. Or white and black. Okay. You just don't want to get them too hot though.
Because they'll unsolder from the bottom.
Unsolder from the bottom of the thing. Okay. Let me grab my solder wick here, solder pole. I'll get the solder off the bottom of this. Just remind me to dump this when we get done, okay? Put that in the trash. Oh my God. Wow, that took a lot. Okay. Now you want me to do the honors of soldering it, or you want to do it? Well, you're gonna have to do something with the cord. You're gonna have to fix it up so it's right. So cut that or solder it, whatever.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Strip it,
a
or
little longer so
if you can. If you can't, then cut the whole thing and redo them. Cut the whole thing and redo them both. Okay. And we can wrap it around and solder it then. Yes, we can. Mama's in this room, and she can help you. Okay.
Okay.
You're not gonna twist them around. You're gonna twist them around here.
Right.
Move that over to you. You get it okay? White goes to the left and the black goes on the right.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring the camera down for this.
Down for this one, yeah. Okay. Okay. Go away, we're not here.
Okay, so we're gonna put the black on the right.
Black goes on the right and white goes on the left, yes.
Okay. Shape our cord here.
The cord got cut off of this one. That's all. Cord got cut off this one. Did it? Yep. But twist it around on both of them, and now we can.
Yeah, we gotta strip it further so we can get the wire off.
Further? Okay. All right. Strip it a little bit further. Okay. Strip it further. How much more? Maybe a 1/4 inch, something like that?
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay. About a 1/4 inch or so. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, black goes on the left.
No, black goes on the right. White goes on the left.
Okay, the white is on the left.
Back it on right. Oh my gosh.
What?
Maui's in Hawaii. That's
It's
festive.
a very nice place to visit.
Close, a nice place to visit, and it feels like been feeling like Maui lately. Oh, has it? Oh yeah. You can also take your fingers and do it if you wanna.
Right,
Get it precise around it with the fingers. Do it with the fingers too. Oh yeah.
But I can't get my fingers down in there.
I can. I get my big finger down in there. Can you? Oh yeah.
Okay, you hold the cord like that. Well, maybe you don't have to hold it. Maybe I can get it.
Squeaker, squeaker. Yeah, Matt's squeaking. I know he is.
Yeah.
Beep, beep. All that smoke and fumes blowing in the face. Yeah, I know. Yeah, oh yeah. No, Bell, come on. Yeah. They probably burned out a long time ago anyway. I know they did.
There it is.
Eat the crap anyway.
Can you take a look at the solder joint? Let it cool though.
Oh yeah, that looks good, does it? Let that cool, and then we can wrap the other one. Wrap the white around there.
Let that cool a bit.
Oh yeah. Goes like this. It goes.
Okay.
Not here. You say we're not here? Not here, buddy.
Alright, so.
Throw it in the garbage. Matt, I'm gonna throw you in the garbage. How's that sound? I'll throw you right in the garbage. How's that? You can't throw me in the garbage because that would be a bad thing. But throwing you in the garbage would be a bad thing? Of course it would be. It'd be a bad thing if you threw me away. Then how would anything get fixed anymore? Nobody would have anything to fix. Nobody could fix anything anymore. That would be being thrown away. Right? That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Beep beep.
You have all the songs.
I do, yeah. I got it all on. And we could do that in the other room, sitting at the table in there. Really? Yeah.
Or we could do it over at the restaurant.
Yeah, but I have to have a plug though. I have to be plugged in.
Oh.
I don't know if they let us sit us do it. I don't know if they let us do it at the restaurant either. They said the last time they said they had a problem with that, so I'd rather do it here if we could.
Okay, yeah, we can.
Unless you don't have your MP3 player, would you?
Oh, I got it.
I'd rather do it here. And that way I don't have to worry about bringing my computer in there. Get hassled about having it in there.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, now I'm going to solder it.
Oh, yeah. Why are you yawning?
Now I'm going to feed it from the other side here.
Flies.
I'm going to make sure these wires are out of the way. So I don't burn them.
They should have wires are out of the way.
Keister, the 4060 is a very good quality solder.
Yes, it is. It's very good quality. Yeah, the Kester solder is excellent. Yes, it is.
Okay, take a look.
That got broken. I know it didn't. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay. Now you
Let it cool. Let it cool.
And I'll put the strain relief on it.
Yep.
Now, was this thing up or down like this when it was when you took it out? Was it like that or was it like this?
I think it was down.
Down like that? Okay.
Now you have your meter, right?
Yes, I do, yep. Yep, okay. Ready to go? Ready to rock and roll? We want to leave a little bit of slack in there, of course. You said this thing was facing down, right? You said?
Yeah.
Ow. Okay. Let me see the pliers. We got some beeping around here. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, yeah. Has nothing to do with us, so I'm not beeping. Flies, get the hell out of here. Wait a minute here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I see how that goes in there. It goes in like that, I think. Or doesn't it? No, it doesn't.
I think it was sideways. Flatways, I think.
Was it like this in the way there?
I think so.
I'm looking though. No, it ain't that way because that doesn't go in there. No, it was this way. It was that way. Okay. That's right. It's being a little difficult. That's all. It's fine. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, because it was like, yeah, it's gotta go in like that. It's the only way it can go in. There's no other way it can go in there. It's the only way it can go in there. It's like that, and then it's pushes the cord together.
Okay, so we'll get that out of the way.
Yep.
Now, we've been talking about this.
Let me wrap the cord up here nice and neat on it.
Okay.
Yep. You said this does work, right?
Yeah.
How did you take it without a cord?
I just alligator clip. Now, here's the cord that was board that was in there broken.
Yes.
So if we can find another one
Find another board, we can get this thing to work. Yes. Yep.
for the radio.
The radio. Yes. Correct. Yep. Yep. I got the part number on there because you sent me a picture, so we'll leave that right in there with it. Okay. All right.
But I can use it without that board, right?
Oh, if you said it worked with it without it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I've got the MCS up on the bench there.
Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot how heavy that thing was.
Okay, it's going.
Do you want me to sit back and see if I
No,
can get it in?
you're in it. Yep, it's good.
All right, what we're gonna do? I think what we're gonna wind up doing after replacing these is we're gonna take these 6 out of here because it's gonna be a lot easier trying to do it that way. I mean, yes, it's gonna be a little bit more work, but you know what? It's well worth it in the end. For more work, for better. We're replacing STK packs on these.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you didn't get a fuse for this thing, did you? It only takes I never got a fuse for it either.
Oh, we have an extra fuse.
No, I'm talking about this takes a regular, this doesn't take any old fuse. This takes a 4 amp.
Okay, this takes the heatsink grease.
Okay. Yeah, this takes a 4 amp, so let's use another one.
One for each.
Oh yeah, heatsink grease, good. Which one was? We'll get the grease in it later. Okay. I know it's a little bit more work doing it this way, but then I'd rather have that because then I got to bring it up here so I can work on it. Oh, yeah. Then you remember you got a ground wire to here. Got a ground wire to here. Okay. Okay. Crap. Screw it here. Go right there. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yes. Hold on a minute. Okay, yeah, see, that's the problem, okay. The STK packs gotta both be replaced. So what we'll do is we'll pull them off. So, you know what, I'll leave them connected to the heatsink. Actually, no, you know what, it'd be easier to take them off the heatsink before I start them. Yes, it'll be a lot easier. Okay. After I replace them, we're gonna make some checks. Voltage checks and short checks. Short checks.
What about checking transistors in the preamplifier?
Me too, actually, yep. All on that board and everything. Everything on that board and everything else. We'll be doing all that. We're doing all the checks on. Okay, now what we do is, you got that little board to hold stuff, or no?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you wanna do me a favor?
Yeah.
And empty the solder out of that thing into the garbage there.
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay. Alright. Okay. And I gotta take the solder off these. Okay. Okay. That up all the way? Yep, that's up all the way. Okay. And now we're using a desoldering tool for pulling the solder off the chip. But I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Let's see. Okay. Okay. For some reason, it's not working. Is it? No. Try that. That time that worked. That time. Okay, did it? Yeah, that worked that time. I think. Yeah, it did. You can smell how old it is too. You can smell the solder. Smell the solder, how old it is?
It's about 10 years old.
It's older than that. This thing's from the 70s. So it's
20.
it's like 34 years old. It's really old. It's actually 50 years old.
Well, 50 years ago, I think it was all vacuum tubes.
All from the 70s. Someone like showing off. Apparently. Alright. Okay. No, it's
Now, how long will this upload from your house? If you pull the video out and upload it from your house, because it took overnight to upload an hour.
15 minute video to go all night, right? You said?
Yeah. So I'm wondering if you could pull these two out of my phone and take them home and upload them quick overnight tonight.
Well, you probably don't have the cable for your phone, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do. And it'll probably plug into the computer. What kind of phone you got?
It's a TCL.
TCL. Okay.
But
I don't know if it'll work with my computer though. My computer's got the older operating system in it. It might. It should work it. A cell phone's a cell phone, right? Am I right?
Mhm.
And
is that what they had on here about failing uploading, you know?
yeah, exactly. Pull it out of the phone.
But leave it in my phone, though, too.
Yes, exactly.
Will you start it as soon as you get home, though?
Well, not as soon as I get home, as soon as I have time to do it, yeah.
Or would it be tonight, though?
No, probably be tomorrow. No, I don't know if it's gonna be tonight or not. Depends on. It probably won't, cause like I said, I know every time we get together, we usually don't get done until 3 or 4 in the morning, so it ain't gonna be tonight. Well, not always. Oh yeah, we always get together and we always stay out late, so it ain't gonna be tonight unless I get home at a decent hour. Then yeah. But until then, no. It'll have to be tomorrow. Wait a minute. What's tomorrow?
Sunday.
So what's the date?
The 11th?
11th. Is it the 11th tomorrow?
I think so.
Okay.
But it's either the 10th or the 11th.
Because I think we're doing something tomorrow.
Or you could just let it upload while you're doing something, right? Just like put one letter in the title. Do not title it.
What do you mean?
Just hit like A.
Oh, and then B, and then C or whatever, right?
Yeah, and then I'll title it as soon as I see it pop up as uploaded.
Alright, this ain't gonna work. I cannot sit like this anymore. This leg of mine is giving me trouble. It's been cramping up. Oh.
Is it coming off?
No, it's not working. I need solder wick. I don't have any. I forgot it, of course. Of course you did. Of course I forgot it. Of course I forgot it. I need to work somewhere else because this leg of mine's been cramping up and it's not working. Not working. No, it's not working for me. Well, why do you got a cramp in your leg? I don't know. The doctor said it's lack of something. Lack of potassium or whatever in my system and stuff. I don't know how because I eat bananas like crazy. Yeah, I forget.
Oh, I love bananas.
This ain't working. Not working that well, no. Not working that well. It's not, is that right? Coming off too well for that. No, it's not. Let's see here.
Now the sankens are better quality, what I see, aren't they?
Why? Which ones did you
Oh, my
get?
Optonicas are sanken.
Yeah, these are not sinking, right?
No, these are STK.
STKs. These are STKs. Okay. What's your iron? No. Okay. Well, I guess it is working. These are all loose. Okay. Okay, I got. It's working. I just gotta give my leg a rest because my leg is what?
A rest.
Yes. My leg's been cramping a lot. Really, it has been a lot badly. Definitely not gonna be. There's definitely gonna be swearing in this video. I got potty mouths upstairs. That's what I thought. I like to swear a lot. I swear more than I do.
I like to swear a lot under oath when I'm testifying against somebody. Get it?
Yep. Exactly. Oh, that's not good.
Dad, come up.
I just crap myself.
Hey,
Okay, let me, good. Let me see one new one. These are new ones?
yes.
Well, they're used.
Oh, do you want to take the two old ones out first?
Take them both off first?
Then I'll bring the camera down to the side and I'll put them in the new one.
Okay, yeah.
I don't need the camera a second time.
Well, I'll do some testing before I put the STK packs back in.
Oh,
But we gotta have to hold up the camera on pause for a minute. Guess what? I gotta go to the bathroom. Yeah. I gotta go number 2. Is there TP in there? Okay. Well, we have to go order some. We have to go.
I could be soldering the other STK pack later.
Oh, yeah.
But set it up for me to solder
Oh, shit. Exactly. Okay. That should come off okay. It does. Okay, beautiful. What we'll do is oh, crap. Jesus.
first. How do we check the capacitor, see if one of them are short?
Just check them with a meter, and that's all. See if they're shorted.
In the circuit, or do you have to check them out?
No, you don't have to take much. You don't have to take much. I know what you, well, you can't do it, never mind. I say I know what you can do for me. You can put the heat sink on the STK packs on the heat sink. But you gotta have these wires put on there, so we'll wait for that. You know what I mean?
I'd rather you do the heat sink grease.
What?
I'd rather you do the heat sink grease. Like right.
Okay. Is there a pad on that one? Yes, there is. Okay. I don't know if they can see me unsoldering on the camera, but if they do, if they can, my hands might be in the bag. I don't know. We'll see what happens, right? That's not a good sign again. What happened? Don't worry about it.
You need a little bit of that solder for the shop?
What?
You need some of that solder for the shop?
No, we got plenty at the shop. Got plenty of it at the shop. I got about a little over half a roll left.
How much does that usually sell for?
A spool of solder is about $60.
Oh, so I did get a good deal on
How
that.
much did you get it for?
8.
Was it new or used? It was brand new. Yeah, you got a good deal.
Old stock, or new old stock.
Old stock. Yeah, that's a good deal. It's normally $60 for a roll of solder now. Really? Yeah. A lot of money. Well, it's called inflation, buddy. You know, it's called inflation.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, it's gonna. My leg. Oh, it's better. Oh, cramped up. I'm having trouble with it. Yeah.
Oh, how many? This is only 6 watts per channel, so I'd like to see what the secondary voltage of the power transformer is.
Oh, I mean the primary, you mean the AC voltage or the DC?
AC and
DC. Okay, but no, they don't. They want you alive. They can't die. You can't die because then they would have nobody to fix anything. The women wouldn't have anything to fix.
Is it 3 o'clock yet?
It's actually almost 7.
Oh,
Almost 7 o'clock.
I thought it was like 3.
Oh, 6:15 actually.
Oh, we should be done by 7. Shouldn't we?
Oh yeah.
Let's go to Lowe's and grab some screws and let's put them in on the line.
You got, and well, you don't need, what do you need, 3 of them you need? Well, they come in a package of 5, you said, right? Come in a package of 5, so you'll get the 5 of them. You'll put them in off camera. Them in off camera. Oh wow, look at all that shit coming out. Wow. That's a lot. Yeah, man. Yeah, that solder pump. That thing works good when it works. And sometimes it works too good. I went and plugged up a bunch of solder and it plugged it right up. I had to take it apart because it was plugged right up.
Now, for 100 watts per channel, would the power capacitor be like 73 volts, 12,000 microfarad?
I don't know. It's each stereo equipment's different. They use their own different stuff for different
Could
sounds.
it be the same as a 40 watt per channel and 50 volt 6800?
It could be, yeah, it could be. Like I said, they all the manufacturers have their different ways of doing stuff. Like
But the
I said,
more expensive ones.
more expensive ones, yeah, would probably be better quality stuff, of course. Of course, they would be better quality.
Would it be the 73 volt? Then?
Probably, yeah. There's a lot of traffic on the street, isn't there? Let me just check something here. Just check something here. Okay, yeah, they're all loose except for one pin. They're all loose except for one pin. Like on the other one. Where's one? This one right here. And they're all third. I think, yep. Seem to be. Let's see. Okay. They're unsoldered, but they're still gotta come out. Yes, they did. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah. Another one right there. It's gotta be none. All right. All of them in. All of them in. All of them in. All of them in. What you get? No, they don't. I would say it, but I'm not gonna say it on camera because this is not nice. Well, not nice for YouTube. No, it's not gonna be clean, so I can't say anything. You know what I mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can't say anything like that on YouTube. Never allow it. Right? Is it Marie? Mommy's in Westman Hall. Mommy's in Hawaii. Nice place to visit. Okay. Okay. grab my meter. It's right over here. It's right over there. Grab my meter, and then we're gonna make some component checks. I'm gonna pause the camera before I get up.
Use the meter.
Yep, that's the one I'm talking about.
Okay. Now I'm gonna bring the camera down so you can see the meter.
Yep. My leg is all cramped. Okay. Okay, I want to check these resistors on here and check the resistors and the capacitors and make sure they're okay. They're not shorted. So we're going to check the capacitors first to make sure they're not shorted. And they will read shorted one way and not the other. That's all good. That's good. Because this is a what they call a smart meter. So it's like smarter than your average person. Okay. Okay. Okay, that one's good. I just don't want anything, you know. Okay, yes, we got a problem. What? That capacitor is bad. See how it's leaking on top?
Yeah.
Unless that's, I don't know if that's leaking on top or is there something got spilled on it.
Is it dry or wet?
It's dry.
I thought if it leaks, it leaks out the bottom.
Yeah, normally. Could be something got spilled on it. Let me,
Let's meter it.
I'll meter that one and check and see what this looks like. Okay, let's see right here.
Because I heard they use glue to glue them in, and people think it's...
Yeah, and that's not leaking though. Okay. Okay, yeah, it doesn't read shorted, so that's good. And you want to check, yeah, I want to check the resistors too on this thing. Yeah, yes, I do. Yeah, like they think this is glue, they think this is bad. That's a 4.7 right there. Okay. 4.7. And that's 4.4. Okay, that's good. This is a 470 right there. Okay. Okay. Check it down here. Let's see if I can do it down here instead. Okay, let's see. Oh, 47. Okay. I thought that was a 40. Oh, no, that's a 47. Okay, not a 470. 47. Okay. That's good. You sure you know what you're doing, Matt? Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm just had it retarded. That should be a 2.2K. Should it? Let's see. Okay, what should that be? 2.2K. Let's see. Oh, that should be a...
I'm hoping my optonica doesn't break down.
That should be a 2.2. Yeah, that should be a... Should be like a 2.2. Let's see. Or 2.2K. Yep, that certainly is okay.
So my optonica is better quality than this, isn't it?
Oh yeah, much better, yeah.
So I'm hoping it doesn't break down because those parts are no longer available. That's why I'm not using it. I have it put away because it's my high school graduation money.
Okay, that's good too, okay. So nothing bad on that board, except for that one cap that looked like it might have been leaking, but I think it could have had something spilled on it too. I think this thing did get wet. Oh, this thing did get wet, I think. Well, like part of it did, yeah. But, okay. Yes. Okay, I think she's good. That's what it does. Okay, that's good. I'll check this other one. Get out of here, fly.
Will the 1 amp fuse hold as long as you're just using with headphones?
I'll probably blow the 1 amp. So you turn it on. Well, like I said, I don't know what it says on the back there for amperage rating. Let's see. See on the back there. No, it only takes 1.5 amp. So the 1 amp should be fine then. And actually, the 1 amp probably better because it'll blow quicker. You know what I mean? It'll blow quicker. That's
Oops, I don't have an adapter for the headphones.
I don't either. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, please don't play this shit. Don't play this shit, please. playing this shit music.
Yeah.
What? No. Oops. You swore. You're eliminated.
Yeah.
Smack you. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't smack myself. But you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You're bad, man. You swore. Yeah, I know. They're playing that garbage music. I don't like it. Do you?
No.
Yeah, no. Didn't think so. That's not my forte. Alright. Nothing bad on the boards. Now we go down here and we check the pre-out section down here, which is right here. And you see all these little, right here, all these little transistors right here.
Yeah.
Gotta check these, both of them, and then you gotta check both of them.
I see a blob of solder right there.
Oh yeah, that could have been when I was on solder. But we'll kick this out before we do it. Yeah, I'll check that transistor and that transistor, and then I will go here. I'll check these resistors too, and we'll bend the components back up. But let me just see. I want to see if we got any shorts in these. So we just check them on the top here, one to the other, one side to the other side. If you see any shorts, then no shorts in that one. Okay. Oh man. Oh my god. Uh-oh. What? That one red shorted. Oh yeah, it did. Got the flashlight handy?
Yes.
Where'd it go? Yep. That transistor shorted. Let's see. You want to hold that right there?
Mm.
Okay, let's see.
Make sure you just didn't touch the leads together.
That's what I'm checking. Okay, nope, that's not shorted. Okay. No, that's fine.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
It wasn't touched together. It just wasn't. Okay, let me bend these back up the way they were. Okay. Now the other thing, let's see. I'm looking at this here, and that's the only two transistors there, and then there's ones here. Yeah, but that's the base circuit. That wouldn't. Where's the volume on this? Right? Where's the volume control on this thing? Yeah, is it right here? Got it right?
Nope. The volume is this one right there.
This one? Okay. All right. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's the only two transistors that's on that thing. Oh, no, there ain't. Okay. There's two more way up here. See them? Right up here. Okay. Can we focus this light? Like, there we go. Now I can focus the beam on that. Okay. No, I was touching there. Okay. That one's good. That way. That way it's good. That way it's good. Okay. And we got one more. Here's only 4 transistors in this thing, huh? 4 transistors in this thing, that's all. Okay. See that? There's only 4 transistors in this thing. Oh, okay. Did you check them? Well, when the amps blew, when I plugged in it and stuff, I did check these, but I didn't find anything else wrong with it, just the chips, but I said, let me double check it. Just
I'll go get some little speakers we can check it with when we're done.
what ohmage are they?
I don't know.
As long as they're 8 ohm. They shouldn't be anything less than 8. That's good. Okay. That's good too. What's this thing take? 8 ohm speakers only. We can use them, but we don't want to crank it. We don't want to play it very long. Just maybe a couple minutes. Just to test them. That's all we want to do. We don't want to do anything more than that. I'm going to also check these diodes in the power supply to make sure none of these are shorted either. Yeah, I'm just going to check these too. Make sure they're not shorted either.
Now that could cause the power transformer to go bad too, couldn't it?
Well, it'll blow the fuse before the power transformer.
I mean, on units that don't have a fuse in it.
Oh yeah, on units that don't have a fuse, yeah. Okay. Okay, that's bad. That's bad.
Which one is bad?
That there's a diode in there that's bad. diode in here that's bad.
Okay.
When you cut off the clip on the
Yeah,
ends.
'cause it's-
And that diode's bad too. Okay, it's shorted. You got 2 diodes that are shorted. Okay.
so we'll have to put them in another time.
Yep.
What is it? What is the numbers in the SR3AM?
I don't know what they are. I have to look them up and stuff. Okay. Okay, we won't be able to test this thing then.
Okay.
That's for sure.
But,
We can put the STKs in it though, but.
Yeah.
Wow, you know what that's across?
What?
You know what that freaking diode's across?
What?
That diode's across this cap right here. I wonder if that cap's shorted. Well, let me take this out, okay? Let me take this board out of here, okay?
Yep.
Let me just check something here. Because those things are reading shorted and they're not supposed to be. That's what could have blown the ICs then too. Is those two shorted and burn the IC out. I don't have any of those, so not with me. Well, if you brought that board with you, they weren't on that board. They're probably going to be 1N2001s or something like that. They're going to be common ones. You probably got tons of them around. You probably got to lay them around. You know what I mean? Probably got them laying around. You know what I mean?
No, I wouldn't have them.
No. These 2 are shorted, are they? Yeah. Okay. Might just be easier taking this thing up, taking the bottom off. No, it's not. All right, let me check this cap. We got to get that short of those two diodes. Yeah, we do. You said those chips were shorted though. Yeah, they were. They're shorted. Yeah, they're shorted right out. Okay, why? That one's good. That diode's good. Okay. Yeah, these 2 rectifiers are shorted out. Both of these are. Even if you try them both ways. Oh yeah. That way it's shorted. Okay, leave it on there for a second. Leave it on there for a second because meters and that takes a little bit to re-register. Nope, that's shorted. That's shorted too. All right. All right, yeah, both of them are. Let's see these.
Now what would cause the diodes to short?
Power surge. That one reads good that way. That reads okay. Power surge will do it. Yeah.
I mean, with just normal use.
Oh, with normal use it wouldn't go. Just something would happen to the power line that comes in. All right, let me unsolder them from there. Okay.
Now you could take them with you so you can match them up.
Well, I don't want to take them out of the circuit because they ain't gonna be in there. They ain't gonna be in the. They're not gonna be in the. They're not gonna be labeled on there which way they go in on these old stereos. They're not. No, they're not. So they're not gonna be labeled. No. Okay, let me see my iron. Is it still up? The iron's still turned up?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Not burned anywhere. No, I'm not. Okay. What's up? They're shorted, huh? Oh, yeah, they are shorted.
That would load the 2 ICs.
Yes, that would definitely blow the 2 ICs.
Now, if the rectifier diodes go in my optonic, would that blow my output ICs?
It might. It depends on the unit, how it's in there, how the unit's in there, how the unit's wired. And this one's wired. Yeah, this one's definitely wired to do that. That'll blow the outputs with it. Oh yeah.
I thought it would blow the line fuse.
Oh yeah, it would blow the line fuse, but it could also send a surge down the thing and blow the ICs. But the ICs being shorted on this could have caused those to go to the diodes. I've seen that happen too. They like daisy chain effect down there on the thing. Yes, they do.
So are you taking them out, or?
I'm gonna only take 1 lead out. That's all. I'm gonna pull out 1 lead. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see what kind they are. Cause I'm not pulling them out because they're not. Shut up. They're not labeled, so I don't wanna.
Now, can we check the AC voltage when we're done with them? Okay.
No. Because you can ruin this. You can ruin the. You can ruin it with that. Yeah, you can. The only way to check that is pull the wires off here and check it. Let's see here what we got. Let's see, is that the right one that I pulled out here? Yeah, it should be. Let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, wait a minute here. Okay, so what's going to happen with this is, okay, this is a, oh, it does show you how they go in there. Okay, it does show you how they go in there. Okay, but I want to check them out of the circuit to see which one is shorted here. How?
What is the number? Can you see the number?
I can't see it now. I can't see it.
My Optonica is an SR3AM.
Come on. Okay, that one's shorted for sure. Okay. That's the only one that's shorted right there. Okay. I will pull out because it shows you what they are. Shows you what they are in there. Okay, good. Okay. All right.
Hope my phone doesn't die before I solder the STKs.
Oh, I know. You said 50%, right?
Was it 50%?
That's what you said, yeah. So it's going to last. It'll be fine. I don't need to take any pictures of us eating. I don't need people, ridiculing me, Look at that pig. Look at that fat pig eat. What? They're talking about me, not you. They're talking about me. Yeah. Like, look at that fat pig eat. That piggy eat. Which I don't think is nice. It's really rude. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's shorted that way. Let's see. Yep, that thing is gone. See it? Mm-hmm. Shorted out. Now let's see. This is a one. Okay. 1N 4001. Oh. Those are common. I got tons of them things. Do you? Yes, I do. We can't check it. We can't check that, but we can't check the power on that. But we can put the STK packs in. Let me put this over here. Don't need this anymore. 1N 4001. Those caps or those diodes are a dime a dozen. I got tons of them things. Yeah. I'm not gonna tighten these up. I'm just gonna put these back in here so they don't get lost. Okay. Mm-hmm. I make it show you're soldering your STK packs in there, and then and I'm gonna be okay. Are you? Yes, I am. They'll just put them back in there so you don't lose them. That's all. Okay. You want to fire it up? No, you don't want to fire it up. Not with the one dial going out of it, because you'll blow the rest of them. Because it puts much of a load on them. You know what I mean? Blow the rest of them. Mm-hmm. Why'd you cut these off? That was off because the lights are blowing in them. Lights are blowing in them. Right? Yeah.
Now, would the blown lights damage anything?
No. Okay. Before we continue, let me put the STK packs on the heat sink. But I'm gonna have to leave them. Leave one side of them off, because what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to put this board on here, slide it on here, and then we're gonna have to put it on where they gotta go. All right, give me one packet of grease. I'm not gonna spread it around with my finger though, because it's too messy. I'll just let the chip do it. Because I don't have anything to clean up with. The heat sink grease does not come off.
Okay, wait a minute, let me move the camera to get that.
Okay. Oh, let me do it down here.
Wait a minute. Okay. down where? Okay, right there you're in it.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, can you see it okay?
Okay, tip towards the camera. You can't. Okay, yep, right there.
I can't see it though. Okay, let's see.
Well, it's up to 50 minutes already.
Really? Oh, wow. What's the battery percentage?
It doesn't show.
Oh, okay. 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 I'll throw that in the garbage. Okay. Give me one of these chips and I'm gonna rub it in there. Rub it around on there. Okay. Alright. I don't want to touch the stuff with my fingers. Why? Because it doesn't come off. It's really hard to come off. I'll put one screw in here and then the other one will have to go on. Because the other one's got a wire on it. It does. The other one's got the wire on it. We can't have that.
Well, I thought the one with the wire goes up over here on one of those.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold on. Glad you mentioned something. I'm putting the chip on wrong. Putting the chip on backwards. Oh, yeah, yes I am. Okay. The chip, okay, the wire, okay. Okay, let's see right there, okay. Go. Okay. What are you doing? Go. Okay, go. All right. Okay. Okay, now we gotta do this because I've gotta put the, let's see, that goes in there like that. And okay. You have to bend all these pins out like this so you can see what, so you can get them to work, or get them lined up. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. What? This is the hardest part right here, getting them lined up. Yes, it is. Getting all the pins and stuff lined up on the thing. And I should have done. What should have I done? I should have lined them up before I put them in on the heat sink here. I should have. Yeah, I should have. Yeah, that would have been a lot easier doing it that way. Yeah, that would have been a lot easier. When you put the grease on, I know. Just gotta be careful. That's all.
Or if you just loosen it up a little bit.
No, it's fine. I can take it off. It's fine. Just it's a lot easier putting these things on here without the heat sink being in the way. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, like this. It's got to go like this. And this one's got to go like this. So it's got okay. So it goes like this. Just gotta go on like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, mommy. Okay. Like that. Now I think they gotta hang. I think if I remember right, you gotta hang them down a little bit because you got the thing on there. Okay, let's see.
Don't let it fall out.
No, I know. You know what? Okay. Why don't you solder the two? Why don't you solder the two in the middle? That's it.
Okay.
And then we'll put it back in place, and you can do the rest of it.
Okay.
in that one, yeah. Now I'll put it on the heat sink and tighten it up.
Okay, there it is.
And then that way it can't fall out. And I can check the positioning too as well. Make sure it's positioned right and stuff. Okay. Then we can solder the rest of them in there. We can't operate it though until we get that diode. See, should have brought that board with you. Yeah, I don't think that board would have had those in there though. That's a power supply diode, and it's not something that, you know, it's not something that's in a cassette deck or nothing like that. They're in a power supply, like a, oh, like that. Like, well, they actually, that's not true. They could very well be in that cassette deck too. You know what I mean? One in 4001. That's very popular.
The Sony had an EQB0111, EQB0121.
Oh, you mean for the diode? You mean?
Yeah.
Okay. That may not have been the same then.
And an EQB0106.
Okay.
Those were the rectifier diodes in the Sony.
In the power supply?
Yeah.
Okay. That they may cross to the same number because, like I said, they all got different numbers and stuff. So they do. Yeah, they do. All right.
So wouldn't they tell you to use only original part numbers?
Nah. I mean, if it matches, if it's the same replacement, then you know it's okay to use it. But if it's got to be the exact same replacement, can't be anything off.
Would it void the warranty though?
No, not if it's out of warranty.
I mean, if it's under warranty.
If it's under warranty, yeah, would you want to do that? Okay. Somebody likes showing off out there, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are you doing? I'm going to make this tight on here. I'm going to make this very tight on here. Okay. That one I'm not going to tighten up yet. Okay. This one we're going to bring around here like so. Bring this around here like so.
I thought that went down on one of these screws.
This one goes on that screw down there. This one does. Right here. But both of that, I just want to leave it like that so when I tighten it up, it can be straight, like I said. Because it's gonna move when I try to tighten it.
Oh, because I don't remember seeing it there on the
It was on there, yep.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, that's tight. All right, now let me make sure this is lined up before I do anything. This one was on that side. This was on this. Because I got to be able to make sure I put the screw in here. Okay, yep, the pins, okay. Pins are all lined up. And go for soldering the rest of them on there if you want to.
Okay, yep.
Go ahead and solder the rest of those suckers on there.
Hold it up just a bit.
Yep.
The camera can see it.
Make sure you put enough solder on them too. Make sure you put plenty on there. Don't get stingy with it. So there's enough on there because they do get warm and they do get solder cracks on them. Yeah. Excuse me. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm getting a little.
I am too. That's why I burped. Why's everybody got to show off for? I know. Everybody's showing off their freaking bikes and cars and everything else. What is it? Just a race car day or something around here?
I don't know.
Well, you know why? It's Saturday. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
People are showing off. Okay. You missed one right there. Yeah, you missed that one. I see it. I can see it from here. Okay. Let that dry good. Now I'll test it. Now look at it.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to bring the camera right down close and show it all done.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Go ahead. Bring it down closer. I just want to check something here. Yeah. Before you bring the camera down, I want to just take this and make sure that nothing's touching. I always do this to make sure. Yep. Okay. Okay. Nothing's touching. Okay. No, we don't.
Okay,
I'm gonna put the camera back up. I don't know.
Yeah, I got the camera down. I'll keep it down here because I want the soldering to show.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. There's that one. I'll put those screws back in here. And like I said, we can't try it because I don't have the diode, but try it some other time when we get the new diode put in there. Bingo. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Did I do a good job soldering?
Yes, yeah, you did. I just like to scrape them off when I get done.
Oh yeah.
I mean, even when I do it just to make sure that there's no shorts.
Right.
Because you know, a little tiny piece of solder in there, short it
Mhm.
out, and then it'll go bang, it'll be done. And all those chips you bought, will be gone.
Yeah.
And we don't want that.
No.
That's $80 right there wasted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, man.
Now, how much would like an STK 4182 cost? That's a 50 watt per channel receiver.
And that chip is built into that's 2-channel chip,
yeah,
right?
It is.
Yeah, they're like $90, $100 for them. They're expensive. Yeah, I had to buy one of them for a Techniques amplifier for somebody one time.
Now, would discrete transistors be better though? Like the 2 TO3s?
The transistors probably would sound better, but the chips don't sound bad. I mean, they sound pretty good, but yeah, the separate transistors might sound a little better to some people, but to me, you know, they both sound good. You know, like I said, they both sound decent, but. Okay, there's that one now. Okay.
So I'm going to have you pull these 2 videos, share them, so you can put them in your computer and upload them from home.
Yeah, upload them from home. Okay.
Because it's going to be too big.
Yeah, too big to do it the other way. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to have you do with the same thing with this one. I'm going to pull that out just a tiny bit like that. Okay. Just out of the 2 middle pins. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just out of the 2 middle pins. That's all. Okay. And then I'll put it back and put the heatsink compound on there and tighten them up. You can solder the rest of them.
Okay.
It's just temporary. There we go. Okay. 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 Throw that away. After getting in the way here. Okay. Heatsink compound right here. Okay. Going on to the heatsink. And then going on to the chip. Back to the chip. This stuff is it's very messy. And I just like to keep it off my fingers because it does not
If
come
I have
off.
enough battery, I have a little 8-minute video I did to upload maybe from the restaurant might help good.
Oh, you do? From what restaurant?
Oh, when we go to eat.
Oh, okay. All right.
They close at 9.
Which ones?
Nicky Doodles.
Throw that in the garbage can. Yep. Close at 9.
Mm-hmm.
They won't be open by the time we get done here. They'll be closed.
Oh, I thought we were just going to solder that and put it in and we're all done.
Oh, is that it? Okay. Yeah. Well, you said we got to go to Home Depot too. Lowe's, I meant to say. Yeah. We may not make it. I don't know because it's already 8 o'clock already.
Oh, this is only going to take maybe another 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yep. Exactly. It's not 8 o'clock. Well, okay, it's 7 o'clock. Excuse me.
Okay, so we have time.
It's actually 6:50, so we got plenty of time. Plenty of time to do that. I like the Nicky Doodles ice cream. The sugar-free stuff is pretty good.
Yeah.
The sugar-free ice cream is pretty good. Sugar-free? Yeah. Oh yeah, then we can do our things with the computer too, because we want to upload the things in the computer too. Let them upload on my computer too. And I got stuff for the MP3 player. We got to do that. Remember?
Is it just drag and drop to put the video in there?
It's copy and paste on my computer. Yeah, copy and paste. Copy and paste the video, and it won't take long to do that. It won't, no. There's no Wi-Fi here, but I don't need Wi-Fi though to do it. No, not that stuff.
Oh, you could have plugged it in. It would have been charged up to plug it in.
It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't last. The battery's no good in it.
Oh,
Battery shot in it. Yeah.
I thought you could charge it up for about an hour.
No, it only holds charge about 5 minutes. That's it. I think the thing is shot. What happened to the screwdriver? I don't even have it here. Oh, duh. It's right here. Hang on. I got it. It's laying inside the unit. Jesus. Don't mind me. I'm not with it, you know.
you'll take care of uploading this tomorrow.
Yes. Yep.
Now, if I'm uploading something tomorrow from my phone, can you upload 2 things at the same time?
Probably not. I probably won't allow you to. But you'll have to just let me know. I'll let you know when I'm uploading or whatever. I'll let you know.
I hope you can just do it tonight, just like I said, overnight. If you get home at a decent hour, could you just run it overnight tonight?
Well, if I get home at a decent hour, I can, but, you know, I don't know what time it's going to be when I get home. That's the thing. I don't know. Get over here. I'm trying to get this wire up here because I'm going to tighten it up and it's going to turn. There we go. Okay. Tighten that baby right up. Okay. That wire, and where's that wire for down here?
Make sure you don't push anything over here.
Was there a wire? Did he sink over here? Or, no, there wasn't on this side. Just onto that. Yeah, just on that. Okay. All right. Whoops. Okay. I'll hold this up like this.
Yeah, you can just...
Yeah. All right. But I gotta get this on my. Get the cord. I don't want to burn it. Well, it's a silicone. It doesn't matter. It can still burn. You know what I do when I solder them in? I go do both ends first, and then I do the rest of them. And it holds it in. But it doesn't matter. It's like whatever. Yeah. Go. Okay. Go. All right. Go away. I'm not here. There it is. Someone's here. I'm not here. Go away. I'm not here. Go away.
Okay, check it out. Make sure it looks like factory.
Yeah. Okay. That end one, that one, and that one are a little short. Gotta put a little bit more on both. That one and then that one.
Okay. Which one?
That one, the second one in here, the second one.
This one?
Nope. That one right there. Okay. A little bit more on that. And then put a little bit more on the end one.
The very end?
Yeah, very end, yeah. Oh, it's a little short.
Yeah,
so
okay.
A little bit short. Let's see. Now, that's good. That's good now. I like to put enough of them on there, and then I like to do this just to make sure there's no solder between them. I like to open up the things and just go like this.
Okay, now I'm going to bring the camera down and show up close.
I like to do this, and then that way it's like it doesn't get any solder breakage in there or something like that.
Oh, you know what? I don't think my soldering was in it because I couldn't see the solder joints.
Oh, well, let's see. Okay, bring it down and show. Did you get the first one though?
I have to look when we're done. Okay, go.
Okay. So screwing it in then. Yes. Okay. It would have probably been easier taking the bottom off, but then, that's why they make them like this so they can be workable. So the old ones anyway, the new ones you can't work on easy. The new ones there is no bottom on them. You have to remove the whole board and everything to work on the new ones. I'd rather work on something old like this, something that's easier to work on, you know what I mean?
This looks about maybe 5 years old, maybe
What?
10 at the most.
No, it's more than that. It's from the 70s. I looked it up. It was, I think, from that. They made this model from 79 to 82. So, and it's only 5 watts. Right? Yeah, so we figured out it was 5 watts. But we can't test it because we have no diagram. Yeah. Place a diagram in it. Yeah. Okay, loosen these up. They're too tight. I can't line them up. Remember, you tighten them after you get done putting them together. They think, oh my God. What? Don't worry about it. All the women love me. They think, oh my God. Yeah, right. One lady said she worships me. Why? No. I fixed stuff for her and she's happy. Happy as a clam. Duh. Never mind. I was saying we gotta put a fuse in this one too. No, we don't. The fuse is right there. I have to put a fuse in this one. Oh, what the hell's going on here? It's giving me a hard time. The screw's lined up, but it won't go in there. Oh, I know why. Why? Okay, try that one. Yeah, it's not going in the hole. Why not? Okay, there we go. Now it's going in, I think. Look like it's going into you or not? Is it going in or not? Not going in, is it? We got a stubborn son of a gun here. Oh yeah, we got a stubborn one. Go in. Okay. Take the other two out. Got a stubborn one. Jesus Christ.
Have you ever had a transistor break when you had to bend it down to test it and stand it back up?
Nope. Never. Why? Okay, I know what's wrong with that. What do you mean? Well, give me that thing. I see what's wrong. These two screws go in the back. These three screws go in the front. This one goes in here. Not the other one. What the hell? What the hell? Dude. You hear that noise up there? Someone was farting up there. You hear it though?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? I don't even know.
Now, does an amplifier draw more current when you first turn it on to charge up the power capacitor and all the other
Yes, it does. Yeah, they do. They draw a little bit more power.
Just momentarily to charge the caps, right?
Correct. Yeah. Correct.
Now, when it says the amperage or the wattage on the back, is that the startup or the running?
The running. That's the running amp. Absolutely. The startup amps is sometimes can be a little bit more.
Like my Optonic is like 165 watts.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's full running. That's full running. That's full running.
Now, would that be peaking it at 40 watts per channel?
I don't think so. No. All right. What's up? What's the matter? Okay, I'm having a hell of a difficult time putting these in. I don't know why. I thought these went in the back like they're supposed to, but I guess they don't. All right. That's weird. Is it? What's that noise? I don't know. It feels like someone's farting. That goes in there. Okay, that one definitely goes in there.
How do you like that ceiling fan I put up over there?
You put that up?
Yeah.
He allowed you, so he allowed you to put it up?
Oh yeah, I do all the electrical stuff.
And you don't mind it?
No, he likes it.
Okay. Oh, that's cool though. I know. So that thing going high, is that the one that you said that was like $100 and something or something?
No, that's the one I put in my living room, in my kitchen.
Oh, okay.
That one was probably about $100 and some dollars.
But was that someone you got for free or
Oh,
something?
he bought, the landlord bought it for me.
Oh, and he wanted he wanted it right there, huh?
Yeah.
He wanted it put right there, huh? Cool. All right, there we go. Now we're kosher now. Okay, I had to put those three in the front, and then these two in the back. Okay, good. All right. So you remember how they came out, huh? Yeah. I forgot who he is. Like I said, can't remember everything. There we go. Okay, and that's it for that.
Okay, so let's tap it out. And
Tap it out, and that's it.
so we fixed everything except
That
what
was
caused the
what
problem.
caused the problem. Oh wow, look at that. That big piece came out of it. Big piece of solder came out of it. Yep. Want to do the honors?
Yeah, I do it a little bit.
Wee wee.
There's a big piece right there.
Oh, it came out?
Big one.
Okay. That's why I say it's always good to. Oh, wait a minute. Is that a piece? Oh shit, that's a piece. That's a piece out of the receipt. Nope, it's a piece of solder. Okay.
Okay, so
That's it for that.
that is how to replace Sanken output ICs or STK,
STK packs and a stereo.
right, and Darlington power packs also.
Yep.
Peace. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Oh, I gotta get up. Oh, I gotta get up. I'm stiff. Oh, God. I'll throw that away.
Okay.